Hey guys. You got something on your back.
Where? Right here?
Oh, right there, right there, right
I got it. There, got it. It was
Here,
this.
I got it. I'll take it.
Okay, you can throw it down.
Yeah. All right, bye.
What's over your beard?
What are y'all doing?
Just hanging out.
Oh, yeah?
Yep. Alright, well, I had to go. It's hot.
It is hot, buddy. You have a good
Bye.
day, okay?
Love you.
Love you too, son.
Hey guys. So I came over to Hunter's house 4, and that right there is Hunter's dad, and he just got home a few minutes ago because he was one moment. You did it. Anyways, as I was saying, he just got home a few minutes ago and putting stuff up now, and I'm like, what? No, Robert's not in here. Hold on. No, Rob's not in here yet. Anyways, as I was saying, our boy dad Jerry is putting everything up, and yeah. And there was some hot French fries in the freezer, like the second freezer, like a cooler. Yeah. Hunter used to eat those hot French fries, but I never used to eat those. And I'm like, what? Well, the only food I eat is corn dogs and hot dogs and everything. So yeah. But I'm watching Howie Boy's YouTube. Oh, I really can't really say that. It was that video right there. Yeah.
We're watching the guy doing Air Force at golf course prank. And the guy got bit. I wish I could do the same thing, but I don't think I can.
Okay, so guys, it was hot in this house, and then we had to turn the fans on, but not on low, because Jerry said we gotta turn it on too. So we gotta turn the fans on it too. Hold on. Yes, that's everything.
$49.
Like, what? Yeah, I know.
$149?
Buy and sell. If normal price, a lot of times people $12 a piece.
Alright guys, so have fun chilling.
Anyways, I don't know why it worth that suspensive for the Coke cans. But it's crazy. Anyways, back to Noah.
Anyways, as I was saying, Hunter had to turn this fan on right here on 2 poles, and I'm like, it's hot in this house, but we want the air to cool it down. And I'm like, okay. So Hunter just called me and said that his dad's internet has stopped working, and his messages might be having an error, but at least it's fixed now. So yeah. And I'm like, what? That's gonna cause a problem, you know? And I'm like, hold on. Yeah. And Now, if you guys look at my hair, it was amazing. Yeah. So you know, guys, I'm touchable. Everybody can touch me now. I'm I'm not I'm not that bad person. I'm a good person, you know. And that TV right there, Samsung, it was from 2005, and I'm like, cool. My mother used to grow up in that year, so did my dad. So yeah. Oh, that was me on the video trying to get hit by a tree, and I'm like, that hurts. Maybe someone needs to cut that down, but we're good. So guys,
There's something in your hair.
yeah,
Got it.
what's in my hair?
Probably just some stuff in your hair.
Yeah. Well, hey guys, so I know y'all don't want to listen to my music because last that's because
Copyright.
because of copyright issues, but it's just the Justin Bieber music. It's my world 2.0. But I'll make sure. So I'm gonna get away with it. So there's no music, and yeah. So unfortunately, Hunter can't play music that he likes to listen to, but he can play YouTube audio and play YouTube Studio. So I had to get my mama to download these two apps. So yeah, but yeah, I'll tell her to. Cool. Well, looks like we'll be out the door in about 4:50. But last time I was over here, I got caught speeding off, and Hunter just called me and said to come back. So yeah, that's what happened. And I told him that I'm sorry for what I did. Now I'm out the door at 4:50, but this time I'm gonna speed off. But
No, you're not. You're not speeding off.
so yeah. Hold on, guys. Huh?
You're not speeding off.
Okay. Sorry about that, guys. But yeah. Unfortunately, I will not be speeding off because after what had happened, it got me into a lot of problems. So yeah. But we can so Howie Boy can still play YouTube audio and YouTube Studio. Like, yep. Because so yeah. And so we'll be out the door at 4:50. And we'll be going outdoors in a little bit.
You hot?
1 second.
You okay?
Yeah, we cool. We cool.
You cool?
Yeah, we cool.
I'm cool.
We all right there, so you should be.
Alright. Whoa. Anyway, Jerry was asking us a question to see if we're okay. And we told him, yeah, we cool. We cool. And yeah. And we got 2 fans. Yep. And Hunter got a fan. Yep. Every fan. So yeah, we cool. Yeah. Well, let me tell you guys something. That right there is the living room fan. I don't wanna speed it too fast, cause if it speed up way too fast, it might fall down, and we might have to get a new fan. So yeah, so we're gonna leave it at a speed like it is. I mean, Hunter's gonna have to leave it at a speed like it is. So I'm cool. We'll be out the door at 4:50. See y'all then.
Well, guys, we're outside, but it's hot outside. And he's trying to speed off. I'm keeping him up. And you know what I have, guys? That's my air horn. What, you want to do it? Alright. Yeah. Oh, no. The neighbors stop barking. I don't think you shouldn't do that. That would get a neighbors get mad. What are you doing?
Just the receipt.
Oh. No, stay.
All right, Justin Bieber in 5.
No, don't. You think you want an air horn?
Hey guys, so we were out walking until the train.
Noah's getting hot and sweaty.
So I was up at 10 and saw the train just came by. So yesterday, so yeah. 5:05 to Doswell, right on time.
There's a car coming. Get over.
5:05 to Doswell. 5:10 to Doswell, right on time.
Look at his hair.
Look at my hair.
Yeah. I'm like, whoops. No. Stay. Yeah.
Now we got 2 guys.
Yeah. Look. Hey, you guys.
Hey guys.
Whoa, it's hot outside. We still had the air horns. Huh. I do it one time. It's loud. No. He was trying to speed off, but we're hot, so yeah, that's just, well, we're walking all the way back home. No, stop. Thank you. I don't know what am I gonna do with you. What am I gonna do with you? You know what, Noah? Just kidding. Ha ha ha. Alright. Noah, stay. Noah, you stay.
Copy that.
You stay.
I will.
Yeah.
Hey everybody, we just got back from the walk and I was trying to sleep and then Hunter just woke me up and say, my mom's here. And I'm like, I know. Oh my God. What am I gonna do with my friend, huh? Well everybody, that's all we got for today. Please subscribe to Howard Boys channels, click on the bell, press the like button, and turn on notifications. And happy 4th of July weekend, everyone. And, yeah. Happy 4th of July.
Well, it's on Saturday.
On Saturday, so maybe y'all should watch it then. Well, because I have to go now, we will see you in the next video. Until then, peace out. What do you say?
Peace out. See you on Monday.